Hey everyone, it's Rachel again. I'm here today to show you how I achieved this adorable look using the Colourpop Cosmetics Animal Crossing New Horizons collection. I specifically used the Nook ink palette today. I will be doing separate videos using each of the four eyeshadow palettes that they released with this collection, as I do have the full collection. If you're interested to see swatches, etc., I do have another video, so be sure to check that out. But yeah, if you're interested to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Just a little quick plug in the beginning. My socials are rachel.alexandra.makeup. I will write that somewhere in the caption. Please go follow me on Instagram and or TikTok if you like my content. I have a lot more on there. So if you want to see the whole step-by-step process about how I achieved this look, then keep watching because we're about to get right into it. All right, we're starting out the Animal Crossing makeup tutorial series strong. We're going to be using the Nook ink palette today because it's so cute, and I have been really loving greens lately, so I'm really excited to use this one. I wanted to do it first. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes first with the P. Louise base. Now you don't have to use this one. Any concealer will work fine too. I just happen to really like this. I like the consistency. Okay, so now that my eyes are all primed, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M321 brush. It's just this little bullet crease brush, and I'm going to dip it into Waterlanding, which is that matte green shade there. After I dip it into that green shade, I'm going to put that in my crease. And with this brush, I'm just gonna tap it in there and kind of pulling motions, but not really, more just tapping motions. So one thing you're always going to want to remember with me is to trust the process. It always looks crazy before you blend shadows out, but we're not blending this out yet because we will be blending it out with another shade. So I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush. Ignore that it's a little dirty, but we're going with greens anyway, so it's fine. Certain pigments are just really strong and they kind of stick around in terms of like staining my brush blue. So we're gonna take this Made in the Shade shade color here and use this fluffy brush, and we're actually going to just blend out this green with it. But yes, so basically what we're doing is we're going in with this shade and almost going directly on top of that deep green that we had, and just buffing it out until you reach that desired level of blend. So what I did here is after I did that blending, I went and without adding any more product to my brush, I blended and pulled it up to the brow bone. Usually I would go in with a lighter green shade, but given that I want to put Yes Yes on my lid, I'm not going to use that to blend out the top, even though I could. I'm just choosing not to. So I'm going to use my finger to apply the Yes Yes shade on my lid. I want to add this CEO, which is the pressed glitter. Again, I'm just going to go with my finger with that one, and I'm going to stick it right there, inner corner glitter action. That is such a pretty shade, oh my gosh. I kind of like to pull glitters up more than just being in like the corner. I feel like it adds a nice pretty touch to it, so I'll pull it down a tad and up a tad. Something tells me my chair has been squeaking probably this entire time and I haven't even noticed, but yeah, you can just ignore my chair, it's a little squeaky. But to kind of finish off this look, I do want to take a smudge brush and go in with Waterlanding again, which is that matte deep green, and just bring that on the lower lash line and smudge it out. So I'm going to pop on these lashes from Dumb Blonde Cosmetics. Their name is BECCA. That's the lash style. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go in with some highlight using the Nicole Guerrero ABH palette. It is my favorite. It's a little dirty, but it's just because I use it so much. I'm going to use the shade 143, actually. So I've decided to use the shade Coconut Juice in the lip tint. It's the darkest shade from the collection, but I feel like it will complement this look very well. So this is the finished look. If you have any specific questions about anything that had to do with how I achieved this look, or any other questions just about makeup in general, application questions, I will do my best to answer them, so leave them in the comments for me. Also, if you've made it this far all the way to the end of my video, please comment on who your favorite Animal Crossing character is. So thank you so much for watching my video, especially all the way to the end and getting to see the full process of how I put together this really cute look using the Nook Inc. Colourpop Cosmetics Animal Crossing New Horizons collection palette. That is a mouthful. If you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to. It would help me out a lot, and any other kinds of interactions that you do with this video, anything positive is always appreciated. I am at rachel.alexandra.makeup on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, if you wanted to see more of my stuff, please go check out my other socials and be sure to follow, like, comment, subscribe, all of the above. It's always appreciated. Thank you so much for sticking around. And yeah, I will see you soon for the next video, where I use another one of the Colourpop Animal Crossing New Horizons collection eyeshadow palettes. We will also be diving into the blushes soon, and hopefully that Glitterly Obsessed gel, potentially the Super Shock shadow. I'm gonna try and get to as much of it as I can, and help you guys out with some look ideas. Until next time, bye!